Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Talk Daily. Today, I did something fun. I wanted to see what it's like to speak English perfectly, like someone born speaking it. So I spent a whole day pretending English was my only language. It was interesting and a little funny. Let's see what happened. My day started easily. Usually, I think about English words. This morning, I just thought in English. It felt great. I made breakfast, pancakes and bacon while listening to the radio. I understood everything. Normally, I have to listen again and again. This time, it was easy. I went to see the city. I took the bus and talked to the driver about the weather. Usually, I'm scared to talk. Today, it was easy. I went to a market and talked to the sellers. It was fun. I wasn't just buying food. I was talking to people and laughing. The best part was how much more I saw. Because I didn't worry about words, I saw more things. I heard how people talked, their funny words and their jokes. It was like watching a movie in color. For lunch, I went to a restaurant. I ordered a burger and fries. No pointing needed. I listened to people talking. Their English sounded nice. I even told the waitress I liked her tattoo. I wouldn't do that before. In the afternoon, I went to a museum. Usually, I read the signs slowly. Today, I listened to the audio guide. I learned so much. I joined a tour and asked the guide questions. I talked to other people too. The day wasn't perfect. I learned I still don't know many slang words. Sometimes I heard words but didn't understand. Also, native speakers talk very fast. It was hard to keep up. One funny thing happened at a coffee shop. I ordered a regular coffee. The barista looked confused. In that shop, regular meant something different. It shows that even native speakers have different ways of talking. At night, I watched a movie in English. No subtitles. It was so relaxing. I liked the story so much, I forgot it was in English. That was my day speaking English like a native. It was a great day, and I learned a lot. It showed me how beautiful English is, and it makes me want to learn more. Did you like this video? Please like and subscribe and tell your friends. What would your perfect day speaking English be like? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.